We have 36 principles written in the calendar. Today we are going to discuss that. Maharaj, I will ask the thing, Maharaj ji will explain that. So first is Maharaj ji, make your earning, you have written in the calendar, make your earning as long as your body supports. Work is life, life is work.
Make your earn for living for yourself as your life is. How long you live, you make. How long you live, make your earning. Earning means to bread and butter. And then you eat, not from the other.
जब तक शरीर साथ दे कमा कर खाओ.
जब तक how long your body is able to do something, you always earn your living.
काम ही जीवन है, जीवन ही काम है.
Work means life and life in work.
The second is always keep beautiful thoughts, resolutions and be optimistic.
Always have a positive idea, always, and be happy. Positive idea. Shiv Shankar must do, said in Hindi. Yes.
And आशावादी रहें.
And hope. Always hope for all things. Never hopeless. Always have hope that God will do good for me. Positive. Yes, yes.
Yeah, third thing is semen is life force. So do sexual intercourse only to produce child. संतान उत्पत्ति के लिए ही संभोग करें, वीर्य जीवन शक्ति है.
This is a critical thing, very, very nice thing. And the people are all ignorant about it. Nobody have idea about it for this. Even the Rashtrapati to the laborer. Even the crorespati, you don't know about this rule. Whatever, if you want children, you enjoy the sex. If you do not want children, love. He says even saying in English, flower to smell, not to pluck. Flower is to smell, not to pluck. Beauty to see, not to touch. If there is beauty, not touch. See it. This is very nice, very nice. And wife is to love, not to fuck. Wife is to love, always love. Happy, smiling face. And you want to, her she wants you. And there is attraction both. As long as you live, never quarrel, never anything. Because this is God given gift to us. That we have attraction for lady have attraction to men. How long? If you do not do excess unnecessary sexual pleasure. Do not. Yes.
नेक्स्ट इज मदर्स फॉर्म नेशन नॉट लीडर्स. राष्ट्र का निर्माण माताएं करती हैं, नेता नहीं.
Here say ladies can birth such a new generation that they can do all and everything. Whatever they think, so will come. Whatever before generation they think, oh God, bless me with good boys and girls. So He give it to me, He help me, He please me, He serve me and to my family. And actually all the relative and all the knowing neighbor, everybody. And if the big demand, then say, oh God, bless me such a son, so humanity is all in trouble. So help all the humanity. The humanity man cannot serve all the humanity. So what is her demand? Oh God, you come yourself to me as a son or daughter, and you help the humanity. So He will come in the form of this some what is that religious leader or God knowing man, all everything whatever you say. Yes.
द लोन ऑफ पेरेंट्स कैन नेवर बी रिपेड. माँ बाप का ऋण कभी उतर नहीं सकता.
Yes. The loan of the parents, mother and father, we cannot refund it. Because how you know mother rear the children? When they something eat, then first to the baby and then she. And if at night the children easy in the bed, then he stand up and wash and this and that. If he is eating, suppose at that time baby just said is uneasy, so he don't hate foo. No, he wash the hand and quickly wash him and do all, then begin to eat. So you see the service of the mother. And Father, whatever earning for you, that he will suffer. If he is doing something, cheating somebody and giving 420 to somebody, he will suffer that, but he will earn for you. So the trouble will Father takes whatever the earning is there. He taking bribe and this and that and all, he will suffer, not the children. So for the mother or father run loan, we cannot return. Early morning we should get up and first off both to mother, good morning say, that here say namaskar sir, and here folded hand, mata, mother bless me so that I be happy. Mother bless me so I get profit in my earning. Mother, you bless me, I am going for service, so I get good service. You get permission. And mother will be very happy. My son always get up and early in morning he come and he requests me, Mother, bless me, bless me, bless me. So remember, whenever mother is suppose old and sleepy on bed, you sit sometime. You may be officer, IAS, IPS, judge, doctor, and that is separate in the office. For mother you cannot. You sit near mother, and mother praise the body this, and mother, if you anything you want to eat, I have somebody, anything you want to wear, some clothes, anything, what is I can please tell him, so that I shall bring you. In polite, the children, the baby, you tell her. She will be very happy. Oh, I have the son, my daughter is come to me, ask me this and that. So we cannot attend the death of the parents. So you early in the morning get up and bow your father and mother daily. Very good, gentlemen. And anybody else?
Yes.
Yes, then you are no father and mother?
You are.
Yes. So you are all gentlemen. So you understood me? Teach your children also. Get early in the morning and you go and go to the grandmother and go her and tell, grandmother bless me for happy life. Mother bless me so that I will be a great man. Mother bless me this, like that. Teach. The mother can teach this very easily. All the mother say go and your grandmother, or go and that is the uncle. And go, your father is there. So mother can teach these things. And in the morning, get blessing from her. So in Hindu system is there, good morning, this bow and ask it, in your system, good morning mother, good morning father, like that. And what is your style of talking or way or system, custom you do with that. But respect her. The conclusion of my talk is to respect mother and father always. Whenever you go somewhere, you get permission and go. And bless me so that I success in there. And do that. You teach your children, if other not, and those who are guru, you also have to teach the other children in the Germany and other. And big man. Have you respected your? So from today, please you do this thing. You will get all and everything. Not up yet, so from today, tomorrow you will do this, like that. Other thing.
मन को वश में करने के लिए योग का सहारा लें. टेक हेल्प ऑफ मेडिटेशन टू कंट्रोल द माइंड.
How to have the mind is wavering, so it cannot control. So yoga is this. Yoga means to practice that. Practice means whatever you are doing. There is a karma yoga in Gita, in Indian Bharatiya literature, that is karma yoga, bhakti or jnana yoga. So karma yoga means whatever duty you do wholeheartedly. If you do service, wholeheartedly, that is my job. If you are serving some private shop, then you don't see this is those he shop, you buy shop, I shall work like that. With faith, loyal, not to tell a lie, this and that.
I request you all, please look at the eyes and forehead of Maharaj Ji. If you don't understand the satsang, no problem. You will get his radiation. महाराज जी की तरफ देख के सत्संग सुनो. सत्संग समझ में भी नहीं आएगा तो भी फायदा होगा. इनकी रेडिएशन आप में आ जाएंगी.
Yes. He teaching the meditation. As far as you are sitting here, you gaze the Maharaj Ji. So you fix your mind. Mind will go here, there, at home, there. So control it. Gaze with devotion. Gaze, do not let the mind go here, there. And listen me. So radiation is there. Everybody is seeing here, so eyes, from eyes the radiation is go there. That is the scientific technique. The science has researched it and found it right. When we are talking, looking at somebody, or radiation go to him, and his radiation come to us. This is way. So see, he say the technique of the meditation for the time being. If you want something, you are a learner, for the high classes or low classes, gaze your teacher carefully what he is teaching. Gaze him and listen. So you will get lot of knowledge. And if you not practice some, still you will get more than 90 numbers, 91, 92, 93. And you will success all everywhere. So gazing the teacher, not here, not anywhere. So this is way how to listen carefully. And listening carefully is a meditation. You do not mind go here and there, keep it on the same target, to the same face of the teacher. And in the religious lecture, you are listening me to say, look my face, and you just try to listen. And do not to go here, there. This is the way meditation. Meditation means to fix your mind for the time, to stop it going here and there. Yes.
The next one is अपनी गरज के लिए दूसरों का मन न दुखाएं. Do not hurt others for your need.
For your own interest, you do not harm the other's mind. For interest, suppose I have some interest and I pain to others, that is crime. If some betterment or something you say, that does not matter. There is no any sin. Yes.
दया, क्षमा, सेवा, प्रेम मनुष्य के गहने हैं. Kindness, forgiveness, service and love are the human ornaments.
Do you follow it? What he is saying? We wear the ornament for what? We look like fine, beautiful. So he says, what is that? This is not actually the jewelry. The jewelry is this, that what is first thing?
Kindness,
Kindness,
दया, forgiveness, माफी,
maafi.
service, सेवा and love, प्रेम, प्यार.
These are for ornament of the man. If you have the four things, everybody like you, love you. Not for your so much jewelry here and so many here and here. So world is where that does not matter. That does not make you beautiful. That make you very beautiful. The people love you. Yes.
Next is दूसरों के काम आए, इससे आपको शांति मिलेगी. Help others, you will find peace.
When you help somebody, he wish in mind, oh God bless him. He give me help. In my difficulty, he give me help. He will think better for you. He always pray. He wish betterment for you. Yeah.
जैसा व्यवहार आप चाहते हो दूसरों के साथ भी वैसा ही करें. The behavior you want, do the same with others.
What behavior you had other give, so you will take. If you respect the other, they will respect you. If you like other, he will like to you. If he help you, he will help you. Whatever you give, so we will take. But we want better treatment for us, but do not respect others. That is not the rule. Rule is first, whatever do, so you will get. You want to good behavior, when you go, yes, where you were, I have not seen you for a long time. You become Eid ka chand for me. Eid ka chand means they are Muslim. They do not see the Eid ka chand. They do not celebrate the Eid like that. It is praising. It is adjective like that. Yes.
आपके कर्म से दूसरे को सुख मिले वही शुभ कार्य है. If your deeds give happiness to others, then it is a good deed.
If you do, and if other gets some benefit for this, then that is a good work. That is what he will wish you, and you will be happy. Yeah.
आपकी कमाई शुद्ध होनी चाहिए. Your earnings should be pure.
Whatever you earn, that is wholehearted work, and then you take. not to cheat, not to leave, not to thieve, other thing. That is not a good will. Whatever you get, at your own earning, honestly, that is more than crores of rupees.
मनुष्य सतगुरु बगैर अधूरा है. द ह्यूमन इज इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट ए ट्रू मास्टर.
Because men have so much doubt, nobody can remove that doubt. Only the Guru remove all the doubt. When you go to him, he will tell you what is difficulty in life. He will say this is difficulty and how to avoid it. Yeah.
नेक्स्ट वन इज याद रखो मनुष्य चोला दुर्लभ है, किसी खास देह को लेकर मिला है. रिमेंबर ह्यूमन बर्थ इज रेयर, यू गोट इट टू रीच स्पेशल ऑब्जेक्टिव.
This is it is very difficult to get to be man. To be man is all and everything. For that he say manushya chola jo hai, manushya body is very impossible. If you get all and everything. It has a great aim. What great aim? He can go only back to his residence from where he come. Other animal or other life, elephant, ant, वगैरह, bird, not to go. Not to go. Only man who can go back. So if there is very aim is very high, if you get Manusola, Manusya, then you, if you like, then you can be a Krodapati, you can be a great man. There is godly power in your thinking. Godly power in your thinking. Whatever you think, whatever you want, what you have demand, so will you get. So always have positive thinking. Shiv Sankalam Mastu, Sundar Sundar Soso. Always have positive thinking. Yes.
Yes, Maharaj Ji is saying that only man can reach salvation by taking knowledge. मनुष्य ही ज्ञान लेकर मुक्ति को प्राप्त कर सकता है, पशु पक्षी और कुछ नहीं.
Manusya in the life, not after death.
Yes.
After
While
death.
living in this body. जन्म, इस जन्म में शरीर में रहते हुए मोक्ष को प्राप्त करना.
Other animal or other thing, no. Manusya can be in the life, be free from all this attachment. Be free from all the attachment and at last go to the God and mix with him. It's for that Manusya is a drop of water and there is sea. If the drop of the water in the sea, it is sea. So like that. Man is a drop and the God is the sea. Following? Understood?
Yes, getting.
Yeah.
जिसके घर में शांति नहीं उसे कहीं भी शांति नहीं मिल सकती. There is no peace in the house, he cannot find peace anywhere.
Understood? In every house there is something wrong. Sometimes suppose the father is not, father and son not agree with each other. Mother-in-law and son's wife is not agree. Brother is not happy. So when they are not happy, then they think evil for others. In the anger, they think something wrong. And all the trouble come in the house.
मनुष्य भ्रमों का कूपा है, केवल सतगुरु ही भ्रम दूर कर सकते हैं. Man is confused with delusions. Only true master can remove delusions.
Do you understand? Kupa means a well. Manusya is the Brahma Kupa. It means man is the well of the so many doubt. Only Satguru can remove his doubt, otherwise not. All the doubt he can remove.
पहले इंसान बनो, क्योंकि इंसानियत से ही रूहानियत मिलेगी. Be human first, then you will become a spiritual person.
Be man first. We are man, but our thinking is more bad than the animal. To think evil against again, to backbite other. And we are thinking, digging the pit for other. I should do this and that, so that he will trouble this and that. So we are digging the pit and we ourselves fall in it. Those who dig the pit, he will fall in it. Other thing.
100 बरस की इबादत से 2.5 घड़ी का सत्संग बेहतर है. 1 hour satsang is better than 100 years of worship.
But worship means to singing this and to sing, if you 100 years. But if you listen this satsang, listen the lecture of the perfect master, that is better than the 100 years. Suppose that you pray this and that and do. Suppose you listen the satsang, 1 hour, for you more than good for the other. Something you will get, understand. And in the pray you will do whatever is in your mind. You get nothing. Yes.
नेक्स्ट वन इज नफरत के बदले नफरत, प्रेम के बदले प्रेम, यानी जैसी सोच होगी वैसा फल मिलेगा. हेट फॉर हेट्रेड, लव फॉर लव, मीन्स एज यू थिंक विल गेट द रिटर्न.
You understand? What we give, so we will take. We give this hand and get the other hand. If you love, you get love. If you hate, then hate. If you beat the other, you will beat. And suppose that you are going here and you abuse somebody in a house. If you abuse one, he will stand. Your father and this and that, this and that, like that. Give and take. So give good, get good. Always have good think. Always think well for all. Having positive idea. Positive idea means you are happy for whom you are thinking better to make him happy. Understood? Give and take. So
आर यू गेटिंग? समझ आ रहा है ना? नेक्स्ट वन इज मनुष्य अपने ही कर्मों से सुखी और दुखी होता रहता है. ह्यूमन इज हैप्पी एंड अनहैप्पी बिकॉज ऑफ देयर ओन डीड्स.
But he say, what you think good, suppose that is positive. The positive result is in the return give you happiness. And what you think negative, the negative result is when you get, that is you cannot get whatever you want and you will be unhappy. So sukh and dukh, happy and unhappy, a man make himself and he don't know it. All the world, everybody is you suffering this thing. Without knowledge, they have no knowledge at all. So they want to be happy. Sukh chahta hai and don't know. But sukh will be get those who have positive idea. Always positive idea. If positive idea result come, that is in your favor, according to your mind. And negative come, opposite to it. You will not suppose that you are thinking that in this year I have a lot of income. Yeah, I shall go and get the service. Definitely such and such date. When you go, there is some problem, say you won't get. That is you will be not happy. So whatever thing happen according to your wish, then the sum of that is you are happy. And when you don't get that thing, then you are unhappy. So sukh or dukh, there is nothing. Sukh is the result of the positive thinking. Dukh means the result of the negative thinking. So always have positive thinking.
Yes.
So men make these things, human, they say God nothing make your deed. God nothing make your luck. When something happen according to want, that you say, oh, good luck, good luck. And if you wanted and that thing will not in return, then you say bad luck. They say good karma, good deed and bad deed. Name is different, same idea is same.
The next thing is अपनी आय से कम खर्चा करो और सुखी रहो. Expend less than your income and be happy.
You have 100 rupees in your pocket and you spend more than 100, you will suffer. So what to do? You keep 50 in pocket and other. If there is marriage of the boys and girls and you take loan, then it is very difficult to return it. Taking government loan, people, probably big rich men, crores of rupees take a loan. That is wrong. No doubt, sometimes they get some money, but that is not useful. Never take loan. Never talk what is your income, you live in that. And for your benefit, you take loan, and that you cannot return. And that's trouble all the time in loan. Or government you do for 20, and saying that excuse this and that like that. So what is in a pocket? So what do I mean? Suppose that you all take loan. You want to do the children's marriage with pump and so this and that, singing like that, and you have not any money. You are competition. You come in the competition other. He do, I also do. That is wrong. So can you do? Yeah. I myself give you example. I have my and my brother 13 children, boys and girls. 13. Do you follow me? 10 and 3. So what I did, I was Subedar. So people think that Subedars have a lot of money, and I always the money spent for the family welfare. I did not keep anything. I have no balance at all. And people think he's a very big man. He has money. And when the marriage of the children, no money. So told the other gentleman, boy, you see, if you like, that boy I shall marry. In that way, I went and do and all that. And very few money. 2, 3, 4 months, 5, 10. Take with me and marry the boy. Told I don't show your samtuni, this and that thing. You keep that offering. Whatever you want for my relative ladies go to dress, I have to do this. That you try a bundle and put it there. I shall not see this exhibition for that. And in that way I went as they marry all the boys. Nothing spent from me. So some say, what captain do? Some say, oh, this is for the social men, so the society. Some say he has no money at all. Some say he is very, very miser man, don't want to spend money. And I did, and no trouble at all. All the boys like that. I myself was practical, because my heart was clear. Totally, I was gentleman, and I know the girls who have come to come. That is Pralabhaskaram. This year, the girl who is deserved here and written before, this year will come like that. So I did that, because I have no money, so I do not go out of my pocket. Suppose that you give me thousands of rupees. How many?
85,000.
85,000 rupees the gentleman offered me. From there he spoke from Germany. Sir, I am coming here, what I bring for you? But gentleman, I don't want anything. Everything I have. Next, please something. But you come, I shall see you and be glad. You come only. But still he brings that money. Because I don't want what he bring. So what to do? They call this gentleman. This money is for his betterment. You use for betterment so that he gets knowledge. So for knowledge you make some chance money, so he will do that work, and by that work he get lot of money. Save he in his business. He come to get knowledge about the God and this and that and all, and himself what he is. So for that purpose that. Understood me? I don't want any money. I do not want any respect. I am not a great man. I am ordinary man. This is my duty to give. And I have everything I have, eatable. I get a good pension. No trouble at all. And I am a 95-year-old man. So I completed my life totally good. I was a junior officer JCO, and good food, good respect, and all everything. English people was there commanding at that time. I joined in 1940 in the army and serving there. And came back only in 1971 after 29 years service. The happy life. And now I am happy. I am happy because you are a God in you and you do not know about it. So I come here to tell you that you have God. Godly power is in your thinking, always a positive thinking. And do not call in the house, otherwise so many problems come. So it is peaceful in the house. If you want to go back, suppose that you have all and everything here. If not, you demand for that. I want a good building. All the buildings you think, so you will build it. I want a lot of money, all the property, you will get whatever you want. everything. Whatever you want, wholeheartedly, you will get that thing. Come to direct way, not to here, there, hereafter, no. By your own yielding. Your thinking will do. You have power of the thinking like God. Whatever God will be, so is there. So you have godly power in your thinking. So always have positive thinking or do whatever you like. You will get all and everything.
महाराज जी नेक्स्ट इज संत दुर्लभ रतन है उसकी खोज करो. सेंट और ए ट्रू मास्टर इज द रेयरेस्ट जेमस्टोन, सर्च फॉर हिम.
So what for knowledge is Sant? Sant means a man complete knowledge having about himself and God and all what is happening in this world. He have complete knowledge. It is very rare. But if you try and demand for that, have strong desire, you will get it. The gentleman have such a man. He said that in the London or somewhere, I was giving a religious lecture. So he attended and he was attracted to. And after that he forget I also. But after that he said, such a man I want. Then he went to Vyas and there he took the name, Naam, this and that and practiced like them. And he do not find anything. Then he think about that lecture. The man who was talking at that day, I must see him. The idea is coming in mind. So he tried to ask somebody, or somebody guided him that is in the Sharpur, in the B.R. Kamal name. So he approached to that gentleman, and that gentleman wanted to read the book. And he don't know Hindi. And after he talking, he had no belief in that. Then he again asked the other man inquiry. He said, ask the Manoj, the gentleman, Amit Chawla. He directed him that approach to Manoj. He found the Manoj. Manoj said, yes, that man I know. You come here, he is living. You come here, get your mulakat, like that I come. So whatever he wants, so he get. What you want, you will get. So your what want mean positive thinking. Always have positive thinking. Negative idea come, cut it, because you will suffer it. So if my body, you remember at that time, I am thinking negative. Result will be opposite by mind. Result will be pain, problem. Then you again cut it, and I have a positive thinking. So always have positive thinking, you will get all everything.
यस महाराज जी. जो होगा वो होगा, जो नहीं होगा वो नहीं होना, इसलिए दुख और शोक क्यों. What is to be happen will happen, so why become happy and unhappy.
Suppose he says जो होना है सो होगा, whatever we so be, because previous we have written what we do have to do this and that. There is no change at all. That is the prarabdha karma, the deeds of the previous life. That will come in front of us. That we do not know. So last he said, whatever is hona, that you cannot avoid it. The deeds of the past life, you cannot avoid it. Or you cannot, you have to suffer. You have to bear them. There is no other remedy. If there is no other remedy, then what to do? If it is not, suppose if it are incurable, then what to do? Suffer it. Happily. That the hona has hoga, whatever hona, so will cannot be avoided. Then why are bother? Let it come, enjoy, and suffer it without any measure. So this knowledge, the perfect master will give you, and you understand that all.
गुणग्राही बनो, टेक क्वालिटीज.
Always see bright side of everything. There are two things, bright and dark side. So we see the direct side of everybody, weakness of everybody. Everybody has weakness enough, but we ignore the weakness. Direct side you avoid and bright side. What good things in you, I say, this is a good boy. How he is here is like this. The gentleman, the good Musod, you have good personality, you are good looking. So we should see the bright side. quality, good quality, and not the weakness. And mostly our habit is to see the weakness. We always point out like that, he is such and such, in one angle. And if you have knowledge that when you are pointing out the one point weakness, and where is the angle? Three finger. The three finger is pointing me, and this thumb is neutral, and this is bad man. One, and three finger is pointing to you. So you see, there is both weakness in me. I should remove my weakness, then we see other. Never be backbite anybody. And this is our habit. We cannot control. Suppose you ladies suddenly get in the morning and going somewhere, and you see, Kakiji, come. Have you heard in my neighbor in the night this and this and this happened? All the weak point you will tell them. So always we should avoid them and see the direct side. Good, and weak point, excuse them all. Enough.
Yes, sir. जब तू अपने आप को जान लेगा कोई प्रश्न बाकी नहीं रहेगा. When you know yourself, there will be no question left.
When you know yourself, what is talking in you, then after that no question there. So their method is what? The super being you don't approach have. Sun have no approach. And the super being is far than the sun, and more power. He is burning mountain. You cannot go near that. When you cannot go to the Surya, sun, then how we can go there? So the perfect master is always, God is in everybody. So perfect master is all, everything. Perfect, you think that this idea, believe that he knows all and everything. Faith, then you know all everything. So faith and belief is all and everything. Religion is on the base of the faith and religion.
Yes, Maharaj ji. Next is, कोई किसी का नहीं है और सब अपने हैं. No one is ours and all are ours.
This is knowledge you will get from the perfect master. The know is your, it means when you die at that time nobody go with you. You came there empty hand and go empty hand. Whatever you get here. And you don't know what your life is uncertain. So this is mine, this is mine, this is mine. And at night, breathe out. What happened? Heart attack, sir, heart attack, and everything is here. Uncertain, no fixed time. Uncertain. You go outside, suppose that a vehicle is today rush, crazy, or at that you go. Everything here. But we have no knowledge about it. We have a Motiabind, so we do not think that thing. If you have knowledge, this is life, you are certain. You never call to other. You never think evil to other. You never trouble to other. You are a lovely man. Happy yourself and make other happy. Understood? When you know. But knowing fear is here. That is inside. Perfect master will tell you. Because he is perfect in the theory and practical. So he know from here you come this thing. And from here this top like that up to the big cave. Here you come, there is a door. To go out, the speaking is go out and come in. Go out or come in from here. And you say, what happened there? I mostly live in that thing. What you telling? What happened? Some ask gentleman. Oh, you are saying you are free in the life. You are not attached, boundless. And when you go, when you want to come in the body. So tell me what happened at that time. Then I have no word because I am not so educated. So I tell, all right. The example is this, that when you go in deep sleep, so what remember you? So deep sleep, nothing. I forget all. So same thing, when you mix with the God, then what is you? When the drop of the water drop in the sea, then sea. So I go there mostly time, sitting and unconscious. So the spirit will go away. So for that in the first lecture I told here, what you are like that. God is in you. How? This is that. So what you made of? Suppose the body is made of earth, water, fire, air, and what was the other thing?
Sky, space.
Sky, face. That is perception. And the mind, the impression or suggestion is there in you, and that is so you. The idea come, go, come, go, come, go. And the soul, light, there was white light in you. The three things you have. And if they not fourth thing is God Himself come to you, live in you. Then you are standing as a statue. If three things you have, body, mind, all everything, no work at all. Going this all and everything. Function is going on, biological function is going on. All stop. And when the soul come, soul is the spirit is talking thing. That come in and all the body in we can do work, all the physiology work, mind and all everything. When a body is started, and then all things come. So that thing is the super being in you. And that is the fourth thing. Man is made of four things. Body, mind, soul and spirit. Then complete man. And the soul is, the spirit is all and everything. Spirit is a part of the super being. When that enters in man, then a man full needs other not. And if you know with that thing, then you know all everything. Knowing where is this, the spirit is filling, the spirit is circling in the whole body. Suppose the spirit is not come here, this finger, it is senseless. If you sense, no feeling.
Will become senseless.
And when the spirit come with the circulation of blood, then you feel it. Yes, it is pain for me. And there no pain. So spirit is all and everything that is in you, and that is God, and you are part of God, but you are full God. What quality God has, so you in you. What God thinks, so is in front of you. What think, and what you think, so is it also. But you have no knowledge. So perfect master give you knowledge, all, and way of the how to know yourself. And if you want to realize, but that thing is not time to show you. That
Okay.
I have no time at all.
Yes.
To realize that you see in my book or in my
Satsangs.
satsang. You learn. And if you further want to ask, the gentleman here, I told him all everything. He know about it. He has faith and all. So whatever question you ask him. As far as I am here, he will consult me, or otherwise he will tell you. So fourth I am making you also for the English speaking people. So you do follow me? Yeah, any question, well, you can know it, but after it will take some time. Be qualified for that, then you know yourself. Very easy. No trouble at all. No trouble, very easy. Because you want to know yourself, so you don't need not self is here in you. You also is there, all and everything you have. Wealth, health, all things, whatever you want, so will be. There is so many stores full of in the sky. And what you demand, so will come. In this way or this way, this way. Understood?
The next one is सब कुछ तेरे अंदर है, खोज करो, बाहर से नहीं कुछ आता है और नहीं कोई जाता है. Everything is inside you. Search for yourself. No one comes from outside and nobody goes.
Yes.
Yes. You want to?
What you understood is?
I understand that everything is within us, which is in the sky or everywhere, is inside us, in our skull. So if we want to know that, we have to search that inside. The way to search that starts from here, the meditation. And there is some qualification before starting meditation. If you qualify for the meditation, then you start meditation with the guidance of a guru. In his guidance, you start meditation and you see. He will guide you what you will see inside, and then you reach the destination. Means everything is within you. you have to find the way how to reach there.
Yes, I agree. So you understood why this, you understand yourself, everything, and then you tell that this is what you may do. Proof is that you study for yourself. And with the story that is right for the man who was at that time. Today's man is not believe in this story. So many letters are there.
Yes. Next one is हर आदमी सहारा चाहता है लेकिन सतगुरु से बढ़कर कोई सहारा नहीं है. Every man wants help or support, but there is no help and support more than the true master.
I think that you understand this thing. Need not.
Yes.
Next.
नशा नाम नाश का है. Intoxicants addiction is destruction.
Yes. Understood?
Yes.
Yes,
Understood.
I mean he become mental.
Yes.
Mental means naska. A good man, good sense, and after some time, like that he become. So
Yes.
naska. Yes.
नाम धुनात्मक है वर्णात्मक नहीं.
Name of the God is Dhunatma, Dhun, not Rama Rama, Krishna Krishna, not Hare Govinda Hare Govinda. No, and name is Dhunatma. There is a sweet voice, and that start from here. That start from here. The small short boy of 2 months or 3 months or 1 month, and here tip 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 here. That is called Arakshanization. From here start. Next.
There are only 2 points left now. The second last is सत्य केवल एक है दो नहीं. Truth is only one, not two.
God is only one. That is Satya. Not other. God is playing here. All the game here is playing God. If you understand that what is happening, that is God's play. The drama of the God. We don't know, oh, what happened this. Oh, he murdered him with this and that. So previously he murdered him, so that is God is showing this so that someone in previous life he killed him and he come here. So all that is the God's drama. God is doing all and everything. So that is Leela. God is all the work going on, and when you have pakka this that believe and you see it by your eye, you accept it. Accept God, there is nothing. It is called the mukti, jivat mukti. It is called the to be like that.
Salvation while living in this body.
Of course.
Last point Maharaj ji you already explained yesterday, but let me say it again. सतगुरु दुनिया में एक है, बस यही सत्य है, यही रहस्य है. सतगुरु the true master is one in the world, that is the truth and that is the secret.
Because man can learn by Satguru, not from the God. The man like us, you can talk to him, you can ask to him, and take him all and everything. So that is useful other than thing. Because we are men, so we can talk the man, ask the man. We cannot ask to sun and moon or other thing, nothing. Everybody we do not, because their nature is different. He is something else, we are something else. And when we may mix in that, then he is power us. We need not to come back.
Yes, complete Maharaj. Today Maharaj ji have explained the principles of life.
Because principle, I.G. Sahib have not listened that, for that I have given it written.
Yes.
You see, and if you want to ask, you ask this gentleman. If you know time, suppose I do not meet you, suppose that I go early, don't bother, you ask him. Whatever doubt in you.
Yes.
I have no doubt. You are sitting.
Only we record what I am talking, so that he listen. If my word is touched to him, then the love for you. So here no time. He is busy man, going there in vehicle, and there is lecture is going on, and stay there and listen. If 2-3 words come to his mind and he accepted it, then that is enough for him. So that is why I cut all these things. The present system of the giving knowledge is this for the educated man, for the man of nowadays. Previous men have to last in this story. There was a king, he did this and that. But that is very good. That you believe, make faith, but not to the manzil. It is very first class. First class means the boys, Kevin Kabutar, Kevin Khargos, this is good. We cannot say wrong, but it is for first time. And today's man is very highly, so he understood this whole thing, and he want to avoid. There is no ABC allows all this knowledge. So he want to do the PhD, perfect in his knowledge. So I am the master of the PhD, not the primary classes. But I do not say that primary class is wrong, very right. साध हमारे सभी भले अपनी अपनी ठोड़ शब्द विवेक की पार की सब में सरमो साध हमारे सभी भले अपनी अपनी ठोड़ जो परी क्लास को उठाता है वो भी ठीक है टीचर तो इस तरह से शुरू से बैठना बताता है प्रे करना बताता है वो ठीक है संस्कार तो देता है कि संस्कार सो दैट मैन लर्न तो साध हमारे सभी भले अपनी अपनी ठोड़ the people who are doing giving this knowledge they're all good. Some is primary class, some in secondary class, some in colleges, or some do PhD. So that is all right. Because we cannot condemn them. Because without primary class, how we go further? If you don't learn to write, how we get the PhD? So that is all right. So whatever the people are doing, it is God's will, all right. But what you want to know to God, I want to see it face to face. I want to meet Him. That is high demand of today's one. Our previous men told that this is a story, they are happy. They have faith. So bina story, faith is not. But for the primary classes, for you that is not required. Direct you do not learn primary class. You read my book and understood all and everything. And that the man to whom you think that he is perfect in the knowledge, you make the whole and everything him. One. So you will get the radiation, you will get all the color, everything, and that is right. So today is to find the man who is perfect himself. Enough?
देव की कीजे तन मन धन सब अर्पण कीजे जीव जन्म सफल